Hello, are you running an LLP? Then your LLP agreement is the most important document governing your business operations, defining partner roles, profit sharing, and compliance. But what happens when you need to update it? Whether it's adding a new partner, changing the profit sharing ratio, or adjusting responsibilities, your LLP agreement might need an amendment. Let's explore everything you need to know about LLP agreements, amendments, and how Filings Corner can help. What is an LLP agreement? An LLP agreement is a legal contract between partners that outlines the following: ownership and profit sharing, how profits and losses are divided between partners; roles and responsibilities, the duties and obligations of each partner; capital contribution, how much each partner invests into the business; decision-making rules, how decisions are made within the partnership; dispute resolution, the process to resolve disagreements should they arise. This agreement ensures that your business runs smoothly and that all partners are on the same page. Governing laws and provisions. The LLP agreement is regulated by several key laws and provisions, including the LLP Act 2008 defines partner rights, liabilities, and governance. The LLP Rules 2009 specifies registration and filing procedures. The LLP Amendment Act 2021 enhances compliance and business efficiency. And, where applicable, the Partnership Act 1932. These laws provide the framework to ensure that your LLP operates legally and efficiently. Can you amend an LLP agreement? Absolutely. Amendments to your LLP agreement are needed when a new partner joins or an existing partner exits, the profit-sharing ratio is modified, roles and responsibilities change, capital contributions are updated, the business model or strategy is revised. You need to comply with new laws or regulations. These changes help keep your agreement aligned with the evolving needs of your business. How to amend an LLP agreement. Here's how you can amend your LLP agreement. 1. Draft the amendment. Clearly specify what's changing in the agreement. 2. Obtain partner approval. All partners must give unanimous consent for the amendment. 3. Execute a supplementary agreement. All partners sign the revised agreement. 4. File Form 3 with MCA. Submit the changes within 30 days to the Registrar of Companies, ROC. 5. Maintain updated records. Keep copies of the updated agreement for legal compliance. Documents required for LLP agreement amendment. To amend your LLP agreement, we'll need the following documents: original LLP agreement, partner identity proof, consent of partners, updated supplementary agreement, Form 3, submission. Why choose Filings Corner? At Filings Corner, we make the amendment process hassle-free and legally compliant. Expert drafting and legal compliance, we ensure that all amendments align with current laws. Hassle-free filing, we take care of Form 3 submissions and stamp duty compliance. Seamless process, we minimize delays and avoid penalties so you can stay focused on your business. Ongoing legal and tax support. Even after the amendment, we assist with ongoing compliance, tax filings, and regulatory updates. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get expert assistance on amending your LLP agreement. Filings Corner, ensuring smooth transitions, compliance, and business growth.